When it comes to replacing doors in Mesa, Arizona, homeowners must consider the city's unique climate. Known for its scorching summers, mild winters, and occasional rainfall, Mesa presents distinct challenges for exterior doors. Choosing the right door replacement is crucial for maintaining comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. In this article, we'll explore the best door options for Mesa's climate, highlighting materials and features that can help you make an informed decision. Material matters. Selecting the right door for the heat. Mesa's summers can reach triple-digit temperatures, which can have a significant impact on door materials. When replacing your door, it's essential to choose a material that can withstand the intense heat without warping, cracking, or becoming less efficient. Fiberglass doors. Fiberglass is one of the best materials for Mesa's climate. It is highly resistant to heat, humidity, and UV rays. Fiberglass doors can mimic the look of wood, giving you the best of both worlds: durability and aesthetic appeal. They are also excellent insulators, helping to keep your home cool during those long summer months. Because of their insulating properties, fiberglass doors can reduce your energy bills by keeping your home's temperature more stable. Steel doors. Another great option for the Arizona heat is steel doors. Steel is strong, secure, and durable, making it an excellent choice for homeowners looking for a door that can stand up to both the heat and potential security concerns. Modern steel doors are often filled with insulation, which improves energy efficiency. Though steel can dent more easily than fiberglass, its resilience against the elements makes it a top contender for Mesa homes. Wood doors. While wood doors offer timeless beauty and charm, they may not be the best option for Mesa's extreme temperatures. Wood is prone to expanding and contracting with changes in temperature, which can lead to warping or cracking over time. However, if you opt for wood, consider a door with a high-quality finish that protects it from the intense sun exposure and heat. Additionally, adding proper insulation to the door can help combat its natural tendencies to absorb heat. Energy efficiency. Keep your home cool. Mesa residents know how important it is to keep their homes cool during the summer. A well-insulated door can play a major role in preventing heat from entering your home, thereby reducing the load on your air conditioning system and lowering energy costs. Energy-efficient features. When selecting a door replacement, look for features like foam core insulation or dual-pane glass for doors with windows. These features help reduce heat transfer and improve the overall energy efficiency of your home. The U value of a door, a measure of its insulating efficiency, is a key factor to consider when choosing an energy-efficient model. Low E glass. If you want a door with windows, opt for low emissivity, low E glass. This type of glass has a special coating that reflects heat and UV rays, preventing the sun from heating up your home. This can be especially beneficial in Mesa, where the sun is almost always shining. Low E glass will allow you to enjoy natural light without the accompanying heat. Style and aesthetic appeal. While function is critical, your door's aesthetic appeal should not be overlooked. After all, your front door is one of the first things people see when they visit your home. Consider materials and styles that complement the architecture of your home while offering the benefits of durability and energy efficiency. Traditional and contemporary styles. Whether you prefer a traditional wooden door or a modern steel or fiberglass design, both options can be customized to fit your home's style. Many door manufacturers offer a variety of finishes, colors, and decorative glass inserts, allowing you to create a look that suits your preferences. Security and curb appeal. Your door's design should also reflect your security needs. Steel and fiberglass doors are often available with additional features, such as reinforced locks and multi-point locking systems, providing enhanced security for your home. Plus, many of these doors come in sleek, modern designs that can boost your home's curb appeal. Durability. Against the elements. Mesa experiences extreme temperatures and sporadic rainfall, so your new door should be able to withstand various weather conditions. Choose a door that is not only energy efficient but also built to endure harsh sunlight and sudden storms. Steel and fiberglass doors are resistant to weather-related wear and tear, while wooden doors will require regular maintenance to maintain their integrity. Conclusion. When replacing a door in Mesa, Arizona, the key is selecting a material that can handle the intense heat, occasional moisture, and UV rays that define the region's climate. Fiberglass and steel doors are some of the best options for energy efficiency, durability, and security. Wood doors, while beautiful, require more maintenance and may not perform as well in the heat. By considering energy efficiency, material durability, and style, you can find the perfect door to suit Mesa's unique climate and enhance your home's curb appeal.